traders, today is 24th of July, first trading day of the week. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pound yen, sorry. Euro yen already done. So if you look at the Euro yen 4-hour chart, this is what I explained to my trader. There's a possibility of both long and short, as explained, because the price broke on this level. So there's a possibility break and long here, and if the price gonna respect, then possibility of short trade here. So let me explain to you how I analyze the entries, and most of the traders still holding short. Let's see here, and pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this is the analysis we did this London morning. As explained to my trader, this is the high level which we are expecting here. As explained, if the price is going to develop a pullback, and after the pullback price retest, give us the confirmation as mentioned here. If you don't see the pullback, as you can see here, we were looking this breakout, price nicely broke on this trend support line. After the breakout, price retest. That's what explained my trader. Look here, short trade here. After the short trade here, as explained here in the analysis and through live audio commentary, keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, after this breakout, we had a beautiful, you can see here, after this breakout, price came back, retest, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback and short trade here. And once the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. If you want to see all that analysis and the explanation in real time, most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day.